So in this question, A and B belongs to natural number and A is not equals to B. A and B belongs to natural number and A is not equals to B, and they have said that the two quadratic equation, this one and this one, they have a common root. Let us say alpha be the common root. Alpha be the common root. So I can say that a minus 1 alpha square minus a square plus 2 alpha plus a square plus 2a equals to 0, as well as alpha is a common root, so it must satisfy both the equations. So this is coming to b square plus 2b equals to 0. Okay. Now you observe carefully, can we write, let the equation look it very carefully, let the equation be y minus 1 alpha square minus y square plus 2 alpha plus y square plus 2y is equals to 0. Now in this equation, it is basically a quadratic equation in y whose two roots will be a and b, right? So if we arrange it, we will get, if we open the brackets, so from here we are making it a quadratic equation in terms of y. So we are having y square is here. So I'm taking common y square. So we are having 1 minus alpha y square plus alpha square plus 2y minus alpha square plus 2 alpha equals to 0. Now, for this quadratic equation, there are two roots. One is a, another one is b. So, what will be our a, b? That is the product of two roots. It will be alpha square plus 2 alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. So, we can write this thing as alpha square plus 2 alpha divided by alpha minus 1. Okay. Since a and b are the two roots of this equation, therefore the product of the two roots will be c by a. So it will be this. Is it clear? Now, a plus b is nothing but minus alpha square plus 2 divided by 1 minus alpha. Sum of two roots, we get minus b by a. So it can be written as alpha square plus 2 divided by alpha minus 1. Is it clear? Now observe carefully, in this case, if we observe these two equations, we can say, since a and b are two natural numbers, hence, and it is a quadratic equation, therefore, a cannot be equals to 1 at the same time, b cannot be equals to 1. Because if a is 1 or b is 1, it no more remains a quadratic equation, it will become a linear equation. And as a, b belongs to natural number, therefore, a and b will take the values 2 onwards. Okay, they are the natural numbers. So now we can say that AB is basically what? Look it carefully. It is what? Alpha squared. I am writing it as plus 2 and then minus 2 plus 2 alpha divided by alpha minus 1. So if we separate, what we are going to have? Alpha squared plus 2 by alpha minus 1. Plus, if I take 2 common, it's alpha minus 1 by alpha minus 1. So this 2 will go off. Why? As alpha is not equals to 1. Okay. Have you understood why I have said alpha is not equals to 1? Because if alpha is equals to 1, then this equation will no more remain a quadratic equation. It will become a linear equation. But as it has two roots a and b, which are two different roots, so it has to be a quadratic equation. So alpha cannot be equals to 1 in that case. So your AB is coming to what? Alpha square plus 2 by alpha minus 1, which is same as your A plus B, and this is plus 2. So let me just take this A in the left hand side. So we are having B plus 2 and A is coming to B plus 2 by B minus 1, right? Now again, your B cannot be equals to 1. Okay, that I have already said it. So in this case, what we can write it as B plus 2. So I can write this thing as B minus 1 plus 3 by B minus 1. So it can be 1 plus 3 by B minus 1. Okay. As B belongs to a natural number, look at carefully. As B belongs to a natural number, as well as A belongs to a natural number. So your A has to be a natural number in this case. In that case, your B can take which values? Think it carefully. Your B can take which values? B can take, it cannot take 1. It can take 2. Look it carefully. If it is 2, then your A will become 1 plus 3 by 2 minus 1. That gives you 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. Now, if B takes other natural numbers more than 2, like 3, 4, 5, now this thing will become a fraction in all the cases. So, your A will never come to a natural number. Therefore, the only value that B can take here is 2. Okay? And at the same time, your A can take the value 4. As B is 2, your A will be 4. Is it clear? Therefore, your AB will be nothing but 2 into 4, that is 8. Hence, option C is correct.